My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy, cheesy pasta bake. Now, the first thing we're going to do is take our pasta. I've got some cavatappi pasta that I have cooked and cooled. It's actually left over from the night before. The next thing we're going to do is take a little bit of marinara or tomato sauce and just put a couple of scoops in there. We're just going to toss this up just to make sure that the pasta has some flavor all around, okay? So toss really, really lightly, maybe just a little bit more. This looks beautiful. And now we're gonna throw in some mozzarella cheese. This is just grated or shredded mozzarella cheese, just enough to lightly cover. And we're just gonna mix that up real easy. Next up, I've got some Parmesan cheese. Throw that right in there. Mix it up. We also have some dried Italian herbs that we'll throw in there, just a little bit for some flavor. And we're just gonna mix this up real simple. Now we have a baking dish, and we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil around the sides. Use any kind of oil that you like, but I figure if we're gonna do an Italian dish, we'll add some olive oil. And next up, we're gonna take our cheese and pasta mixture and just kind of put it right in here. That looks really nice. We'll do about half. And we're gonna take some ricotta cheese and just do some dollops of ricotta throughout. And this is a wonderful dish to empty the refrigerator too. So if you have some leftover sausage or meatballs or pepperoni, sauteed or frozen or canned veggies, throw it in there. Whatever you enjoy is all good with me. So we're just gonna do a layer of some of that ricotta cheese. Kind of flatten it out a little bit. That looks really nice. And we're gonna finish this off with that cheese and pasta mixture. That looks really nice. Beautiful. Now we're gonna top this off with more mozzarella cheese. Just an even layer right over the top to cover it. Make sure it gets all bubbly and delicious. That looks beautiful. And a little bit of this Parmesan cheese. Awesome. Now we're gonna throw this in a 400-degree oven for about a half an hour, checking every 10 minutes and rotating to ensure that the cheese gets golden brown. Now our pasta bake was in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then I added a little extra cheese to the top and broiled it for 2 minutes until it was golden brown, and it looks absolutely delicious. So we have some warmed marinara sauce here, and I'm just gonna do a couple of stripes right down the middle, and you can serve this at the table as well if you like. That looks really nice. And I always like to top my meal off with a little bit of garnish. So we have some fresh chopped parsley. You could use basil if you like as well. And just chop that up and sprinkle it right on the top for some color and a little bit of herbal flavor. And that is our easy, cheesy pasta bake. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.